Yes, we'll be discussing, we are seeing the common ports in what? In operational technology, cybersecurity. So we are discussing about the common one, and then we'll be discussing about port 44818, which is the internet IP. We'll be discussing about this internet IP. This is the one we'll be discussing right now. So, first, what problem does internet IP solve? In industrial environments, machines don't work alone, as we know before. A factory, refinery, or processing plant is like an orchestra. Sensor feel what's happening, controller decide what to do, motors, pumps, and valves act. For this to work, machine must communicate clearly and consistently. So, internet/IP exists to make sure that communication happens correctly and reliably. So, what is internet/IP? Internet/IP is a language that industrial machine use to talk to each other over internet networks. Despite the name, IP does not mean internet browsing. It means industrial what? Protocol. Internet IP is widely what used by Rockwell Automation, Allen Bradley PLC. So the what is port 44818? This port, what does it do? Is the function is that is a dedicated door that internet/IP uses to send and receive what? Messages. It's a door. If you remember, I say it's a door here in the what? In the house. So remember, IP address is the building and the port number is the door in our what? In our former videos. So the protocol, which is the language spoken at what? At the door. And then port 4481 or 818 allows controllers, sensors, and machines to exchange instructions and status what? Information. And then where it is being used, it is common in manufacturing plants, packaging lines, automation factories, oil and gas processing facilities. Example in oil and gas processing, let me say in a gas processing plant, a PLC control the pumps, sensor report flows and pressures, motors start and stop based on what? On command. So internet/IP will ensure this message arrive what? Correctly. That's its functions. And then how they work, a sensor dictates pressures, PLC decide what to do with it, and then the PLC send a command through internet/IP, which is a motor or a valve will respond. Feedback is being sent back. This loop repeats what? Continuously. That's what that happen. And then how internet/IP is different from what? From normal office network. Now in normal office network, it is being used for email and web, but internet IP is used for machine controls. And then it's in internet network, delay is tolerated, while in internet/IP, delay is what? Is dangerous. And then in office network, it is human focus, while in internet/IP it is what? Machine focus. And then if an email is late, it is fine, but if a control command is late, equipment what? Will surely what? Fail. Why port 4418 matters for cybersecurity? This, it carries what? Control instructions. If someone interferes with it, machine may what? Stop unexpectedly, valve may open or close incorrectly, production what? Can hurt. So cyber attack in OT affects real machine, not just what? Computers. While internet IP is often trusted too much in many plants, internet IP traffic is automatically what? Trusted. Little authentication is what is being used. Network are flat. Everything talks to everything. This makes it what? Reliable for operation, but it's very risky what? For security. While traditional IT security tools can what? Can cause problem, scanning internet/IP traffic aggressively, it will surely what? Cause this kind of problem. add network delay, disrupt machine timing, trigger fault. Important OT lesson the thing is that security must never what interrupt operations. So internet slash IP is what must be protected. Instead of heavy scanning, use network segmentation, restricted. Traffic is what must be passively monitored, and then this allow machine to run smoothly, threat to be detected safely. So think of internet IP like a walking talkie machine, a walking talkie channel used only by machine operator. If an outsider jumps in, confusions happen, wrong actions follows, the operation was break down. So port 4481, which is the internet IP, is the what is the control protect is the control, which is protecting it means protecting equipment, productions, human safety. So have you ever seen a machine stop suddenly with no machine issues? Do you think network communication could be what could be a reason? So share your thoughts, and then in the comment section, and then have a nice day. Thank you.